Hi guys, hi everyone. How are you? How are you? How are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Guys, come in. Let me give you one hack. Just one hack. One hack. This hack might help or save you in your home. Yes, just come in, come in, come in, come in. I know you'll be imagining, why is she pointing the camera directly to the microwave? Yes, the hack is in this microwave. So get in, let me teach you. Okay, let's start without wasting your time. Do you know that microwave you have in your house, in your kitchen, that you can literally use it and make some food? You can use it and make some cooking. Yeah, yes. Reason, they we have so many stuffs you can use your microwave and make. You can use it and bake. You can use it and defrost. You can use it and cook. You can use it and grill, do some grilling. Yeah. But the one I will teach you today is how to use it and do semo. All these semo grease from the neighbor. Yeah. So many things. So we use it and do some fufu. We use and make fufu now. So let's get in. See the microwave? Yeah. Okay, let's start. First of all, I have my already boiled water, not too boiled, just 60%. Yeah, 60 degrees centigrade. Yeah, is how I boiled it, not 100%, 60. So we'll start now. This is my bowl. This is my bowl. I'll first of all add some water. Okay. See the water? You add the water depending on the quantity of the semo that you are making. So I'm not making much. So you can see the water that I have added. So the next step is to add my semo. Whatever you are making, me is not semo, but I'm using semo is because why I'm using semo is because it's common name. So this is what we are eating here. It's not semo. So you start putting it, adding it, and turning it as well to avoid lump. You see that? Turn it well. Turn it so well. And another reason why I didn't allow the water to come to boil, because if you boil, sometimes it will start forming lump. Yes, but when you put it this way, see, it will be easy for you to turn and also to avoid lumps. You see as it is, you can see how it looks like. Then I'll add more water. After added water, you keep turning it till you get that particular consistency you want. I wouldn't like my own to be strong. I would like it to be soft. Yes. So you see how it's turning out to be. See that? Just you turn it. Make sure you turn it proper. See this one? So I'll add. Remember, I've not cooked it, so I'll add more water on it. It's not that soft as I want it, but you see the water I've added, just a little bit water. This water I will put it inside the microwave, then cook it with this water. Okay, let's go. Okay, here is our microwave. They're now open. You can use any microwave of your choice. Hence the microwave they wrote cooking. Yes, you can use it. So I will close the microwave. Then it's on already. It's on already. Then now here, this particular one is for cooking. Here is for defrosting anything that you want to defrost: potato, rice, vegetables, and so on. Different things, anything that you want to defrost. Then here is when you want to grill. Yeah, you can use this one and grill. Then in this side, 900 if you want to microwave up to 900. And like this is where we set this one. You can see 900 wax, I don't know, so for 1 minute. Then 600, you know, as it is. You can, for this one, and I believe this one is grilling or whatever, micro defrosting and so on. So now is in 900, but if I want I can reduce it as well, but I will leave it here. Let's start here. Press here, start. You can see I will do it for 1 minute. You see it. So we go, and you see they wrote cooking time, as in you see that cook time. Do you understand? So it's cooking. I'll cook it for 1 minute. Oh, come back. So this time around, our semo is ready. You can see the microwave is giving sign, giving sign that the stuff has already done. Or the minute has elapsed. Yeah, let me use this word, elapsed. Yeah, the 1 minute is gone. So we will open and check. So if you check your microwave, if it is not in this 900, you can do it maybe 2 minutes. You cook for 2 minutes or so. It depends. If you check and you are not satisfied with the 1 minute cooking, you can add up, you can increase the cooking as well. So let's check. See our semo. See that? And now we've done it very well. It's done. So we'll have to turn it proper. God, oh no, yeah, oh no, for me. See that? You can never know. You will never know that I didn't cook it. It didn't pass through the pot or through the what's it called, our stove. You can never know. You will never know except I tell you, or except I told you. Yeah. You see that? Just tell me if you're going to try it. But come and pay me for this advice that I did to you guys. That I did for you guys. You should come and give me some money, some moolah. So guys, our semo is ready. See that? It's done. Very soft. Ooh, very hot. My God. So this is the first hack. Next time, stay tuned, subscribe, share my post. I will be showing you more things you can do with your microwave. Not only warming food. You can actually use it and do so many stuff. So many stuff. So come, let us eat. You can see the semo. You can see it. Fluffy. Very fluffy. See that? Very fluffy. Come, let us eat. Let's eat. Love you all.